We on?
Yes, we are now.
Hi, it's the Tight White Sisters here, Rosie and Sharon. We're glad to be back. You know, we haven't been here for a couple weeks. We took off like 6 weeks. Nothing really good comes on in February and March after the Academy Awards, and there was nothing we really wanted to see. So we took a little break, but now we're back. We're going to start doing them again every Tuesday and put them up on Wednesday. So last night we saw Barbershop.
The final, no.
The next cut. It's the third one in the series with Ice Cube, Calvin's Barbershop.
And Cedric the Entertainer.
That's who she is.
Eddie.
So this one was different than the other ones. This was, this one had, you know, with the economy they explained, they spliced the room in half and the other half is a hairdresser's. Regina Hall, she's the girl who played the owner of the hairdressers. So it gave them a whole lot of reasons to have a whole lot of funny banter back and forth.
Mm-hmm. But it was serious.
Yeah, there was an underlining tone. It had like it was a social statement about, it takes place in South Chicago, where a lot of kids are being shot, and it's a lot of gangs, and it's a lot of murders, and it's
got a serious undertone.
Yeah, and a committee man comes into the area, says they're gonna put this almost like a fence around the area to keep people from coming in and out because of the dangers, and they don't want this to happen. So they get together as a community to try to stop this. So it does have a political, statement to it, but it did have a lot of funny lines. The characters in the barbershop were hysterical. There's one guy, One Stop, who nobody knows what he does.
He was funny.
He gave out VD tests and sold things condoms and sold things out of brown bags. You weren't allowed to ask him what was in the bag. It was really, really funny. And the collection of characters, and one customer never left.
Nicki Minaj.
Nicki Minaj was
funny.
She was funny as hell. She was good.
Too.
Her outfits alone were worth.
God, she's got it.
Unbelievable booty. Yeah, what a booty.
That's ridiculous.
And Common was in it. He was one of the barbers, and then they had an Indian guy who was a riot. It was good. It was really good. I can't say it was like a fantastic movie. It was a lighthearted comedy with an underlining.
We were expecting ha-ha funny.
Like belly laugh funny.
Because we had a choice, and we were
going to go see Convict.
We actually picked this on the way
to the movies. We were talking about it, and she said, Criminal. And she says, I just want to see a comedy tonight.
Yeah, I felt like...
So we looked at our phone and saw that this was playing. So it was within a 5-minute time difference. And we said, you know what? What the hell? Let's go see this. Yeah. It was good. I like it.
Good lines.
A lot of lines. And they had the classic dance scene in the middle of the barbershop where the dancing and the music was real good in it. You know, it was Common and Ice Cube trying to save their sons from the gangs in the neighborhood. So it had some serious undertones, but it was funny. I can't say it was fantastic. Can you? No, I can't. And I would say it was good. I would wait for video if I were you. Would you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't waste this. We only paid $6, but I wouldn't waste the money to see it.
No,
it was one of the.
I don't think.
You know what? It would have been a good television show. This would have been a good TV show, week after week of the same characters, and because the characters.
That's a good point, Rose. That it would be a good.
It would be a good TV show. It really would. Because there's so much going on. There's so many intertwined stories. It would be plenty of material.
Wait till they hear this. Because we know they're going to watch it.
Oh, I know they're hanging on every word.
Especially Ice Cube.
Yeah. He was good in it. And his kid played a good part. And Common's son played a good part. It was good. Mm-hmm. It was good.
It was good.
Brought in a lot of the social... their struggle's real. I mean, we don't really understand all the things they go through in their life.
Violent there. I mean, violent.
I mean, every day somebody was getting shot outside and all. There was some murders, and it was good. It was.
We got lost in South Chicago one time, but that's a whole different story.
Oh my God!
We should do a thing on that because it was funny as anything.
She had the map upside down in her lap.
Funny.
Everybody kept saying, "Don't go into South Chicago." That's exactly where we went.
And I'm telling you, we pulled up.
We pulled up in a.
I have to tell you this. Priest pulled up and we were asking where we were.
We saw a little man in a bow tie, so I beeped the horn and stopped.
Are you ladies lost?
We looked over. I said, "We need your help." And he got out of the car.
On the other corner, somebody was beating the crap out of another person with a chair.
Trash cans on fire everywhere.
My sister saying, "Put the window up. Put the window up.
Put the map away. We look like tourists."
I got the map, and it was.
We had the inside light on. But the priest was wonderful. And while he was standing there talking to us, about 6 people pulled up and said, "Are you okay, Father such and such?"
Yeah.
And he's like, "I'm fine.
Yeah,
and
they thought we were doing something to the
they
father.
thought we might have been crazy.
All right, we got it getting away. We got to vote. Come on.
So we know South Chicago's rough.
Okay.
All right, so here we go.
I'm gonna give it.
I'm gonna give it 2.
2.5.
Oh, you're gonna give it the half?
I
I'm
am going to give it a half. Yeah. Yeah, because it was good.
There was a lot of lines in it.
Good.
It was funny.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know,
We're
they
gonna
have
run out
all
of
that
time.
swagger line stuff. It was good.
5:16. I gotta
Okay.
do something with this news. Grab.
Okay. So thank you for reaching out to us and saying you missed us. That made us feel really good. And we're glad to be back. And we'll see you next week. We're going to see.
No,
we don't know what we're going to see yet. We don't know what we're going to see.
We never know. Really.
All right. Hi, everybody. Thank you for
All right.
watching.
Bye.
Have a great week.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
You're going to push the button.
Really?